Seabird 198, one localizer established, descend RS.
One reception localizer, send RS, 1.
Seabird 198, could you give me a wind check, please?
Showing 240.
Hi, my name is Abraham Lopez. I'm here with Captain Francisco Lerat. We work for Vivaaerobus, and we want to make a flight bound to Puerto Vallarta and then going back. First thing we do here is introduce ourselves and check the documents that must be ready to start the flight. Here we check our documents like medical factors, our license, and we check the
period of license and
period license and the period of the medical system. After this one, we check the flight plan of the track that we want to make. We check the flight number, the origin and destination, and an alternate. We check the reserve to and fuel to the alternate, and all the stuff that we got to put inside the FMC. This is the authorization, cruise level, and the winds. So we got to check all the information. After this one, we come here and check the weather reports, which are our estimated weather when we arrive at Puerto Vallarta in this case, and also our alternate Mazatlan. After this, we're gonna make a introduction with all the crew members. Actually, they are the flight attendants, so we go there to meet them.
Okay, welcome on board. We start to make a walk around the 737-300 from Vivaaerobus, and we start to make a walk around. First of all, we need to tell the captain to turn on all the lights and have the pressurization of the hydraulic system. We need to check all the lights is working right. We see the landing lights, the position lights. After that, we check the beacon light, the upper and the lower. We check this side, and then we go to the other side to see the other light. The nose taxi light, working good. The landing lights, the outboard lights. Again, the right position light. We check again the beacon light, the upper and the lower, and return to make the signal to turn off all the lights, and we start to see if the airplane is in a good position to fly. First of all, we need to check here the door for the electronic compartment is closed. Check all the antennas and check the tires, check the struts, all the lines from hydraulic looks good. We go inside the nose wheel. Right here, we need to check all the lines, no leaks. The struts, everything looks good. We check that radome. Inside of the radome, we have the radar antenna, so we don't have any light strike. The airplane is good. Take the pedal hit, it's clear. After all, we see the window from the right side of the cockpit. This window can open from outside in just case of emergency. We have it right there. Again, the tires, the door, the signal of the oxygen bottle. This must be go in green. The static ports is clear. The compartments we have here inside are one main wheel, nose wheel, the jacks, and cans of hydraulics. It's called in the flyway kit for maintenance. We check all clear from the air conditioner intake, the lights, the Kruger flap. no leaks on the engine. The cowling is closed. No damage on the intake of the engine. We see all the N1. No, we check here, though we don't see any feather from any bird or rocks to hit the engine. Again, checking, no leaks. Las líneas. All clear. We check here the static must be 4. Discharge static. Ailerons. Flap. The outside of the engine. The turbine. We need to check here the right landing main gear. Let's check again the brakes, the struts, no leaks, no hydraulic leaks. We go inside the wheel well. There's a lot of noise right here because we have the hydraulic pump, all the lines. We check the reservoir from the hydraulics. Check here any leaks. We check again the tires right here. All the bolts are in the correct size. Once again, check the cargo compartment. As the present is clear, the intake of the APU. Check the tail. Once again, looking, no hydraulics leaks. Don't see any damage. The skin of the airplane looks good. Now we are on the left main landing gear. Check the same thing. Brakes, no leaks, struts. Again, we go into the wheel well. See any leaks? There's a lot of noise right here. You see it right here inside fire bottles for the engine. Again, the bolts of the main tire. Checking again. Everything looks good. Nothing loose. No leaks. Again, the exhaust of the engine number 1. And continue to the left wing to see any damage. Any fuel leaks. Check the leading edge. No damage. The engine number 1. Everything is clear. No leaks from the oil, the engine, the intake. See any damage inside the engine? Check all the engine number 2 and engine number 1. Here, the left air intake for air conditioner. The other static port clear, free. And at this time we finish with the walk around and we go inside to start checking the cockpit, all the instruments. And we copy the eddies and we copy the authorization to fly from Monterrey to Puerto Vallarta. Come back.
Monterrey, good afternoon. Our last is 12:30. Request clearance to Puerto Vallarta. We have information Alpha 360.
This is 1230, clear to Vallarta Airport via Uniform Unit 11, Charlie Delta Romeo, Uniform Unit 6, Turbo, Uniform Tango 1, Tango November Yankee, Uniform Unit 37, Papa Victor Romeo. Plan on maintain for level 360, Foxtrot 4423 and Urtap 2 Alpha departure. Expect runway 11.
Monterrey Tower, good evening. Our last is 1230. Holding short, runway 11. Be ready for takeoff.
Enlaces 1230, clear for takeoff, runway 11, wind from 120 degrees at 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff from runway 11 and 11, 9.75 on there.
Before takeoff checklist.
Enlaces 1230, activating code squawk 4423, contact 119.75.
Squawk 4433 and 119.75. Flaps.
Flaps 1, green light.
Stabilizer trim.
4.7 unit set.
Runway confirmed.
Confirmed 11.
Before takeoff, checklist complete.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's go. 07. N1 Toga. Takeoff thrust set. 80.
Check.
Throttle hold. B1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Set LNAV.
LNAV.
Enlaces 1181, próximo pico final, ahora complete la aproximación. Contacten 118, torre, tengan buena tarde.
18, Enlace 1181.
Set.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Monterrey, good evening. Our enlace is 1230, leaving 2800 for 360, and we have Puerto.
Buenas tardes, enlaces 1230, ready contact, climb to maintain level 360, cancel departure, right turn on course direct, ear top.
Right turn and climb and direct Puerto.
Carter 162, mire, izquierda rumbo 205.
Izquierda al 205, Manichantes 162.
Puerto, confirm.
Yes, confirm.
El nav is available.
LNAV set.
Flaps up, no light.
After takeoff checklist.
Engine cell switches.
Good off.
Off. Set standard to 9902.
Foxa Romeo tiene condiciones visuales.
Afirmativo, en condiciones visuales, por favor.
Eso, Foxa Romeo, continúa derecha al rumbo 335, rumbo 335.
335, 200, Foxa Romeo.
Monterrey from Viva 1230. Any chance to fly direct Orteca?
Working on that, call you right back.
Aproximación Monterrey, espera 2025.
360. Aeronautics is 1230. Thank you.
Okay, the frequency is 2542.
25.2.
2542.
2542. Thank you.
Técnico 927, derecha rumbo 14.
Direct Orteca 360, confirm.
Yes. Yes. Affirmative. Okay.
We already checked the NOTAMs on Puerto Vallarta. The weather is partially cloudy, but it's going to be all right. You have the chart plate?
Yes, I have the chart plate.
Okay, our chart plate is the 13/6, effective since January 6th of 2012, will be the board DME trim to runway 22. Okay, the VR frequency is 16.5.
Yes.
Final approach course is 214.
16.
Okay, 260. The final approach fix is 3008 DME, right?
Yes.
Okay, the MDA is 720 set.
720 set.
And the airport elevation and touchdown zone is 23 feet, which is set here.
Set.
In case of the misapproach, we want to climb outbound via Puerto Vallarta on a radial 224 to 7 DME with a teardrop turn to the right within the 10 nautical miles. During tour to the minimum holding altitude at 5,000 feet. The holding pattern is on radial 224. The main approach is set on the BOR. We're category Charlie, so we need 2 miles of visibility. We got rail and the puppies are on the left side. In case of on circle to land, we must have 780 feet, right?
Yes.
Okay, once we land, we're gonna depart via Bravo, then Alpha and Delta or Echo to the gate. The runway has 10,171 feet, 3 kilometers with 100 meters, and a width of 45 meters. We're gonna use parking brake, auto brake 1, and we're gonna use a normal reverser. We already checked the equipment, it's all good, and I don't know if you have something to add.
Yes, just a minute, we're gonna
Okay.
check the...
Aronas is 1230, descend and maintain followable 340.
Descend and maintain 340. I'm going into manual and 4.
Okay, flaps 5.
Flap 5.
Here we go, 456, right turn direct tango, November Yankee VR.
Right turn direct Tango, November Yankee VOR, American 456.
Vallarta approach, Buenos Dias, Alaska 254.
Inbound course alive.
230.
Check.
With the Alaska 254, radar contact, descend to 7,029, matter 1, expect VOR DME2, runway 22 approach.
Okay, down to 7,000, 299 on the altimeter. We'll expect the VOR DME run 2, runway 22, Alaska 254.
To level off.
6,200 for 5,200. Next 4,600.
Yes, it's 4,600.
Set. Then we go to 3,000.
3,000.
Next altitude 1,900.
Set.
Landing gear down, flaps 15.
Landing gear down and flat 15. Vallarta Tower, good evening, Renlace 1230. We are 8 miles out, runway 22.
Renlace 1230, complete approach, clear to line 22, wind 210, 6 knots.
Clear to land, runway 22. The cabin is clear.
Huh?
And clear to land.
Thanks. This is flaps 30 and landing checklist.
Flaps 30. The speed 132.
132 set.
Continue down. Fly the airplane. Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30, green light.
Okay.
Reset. Flight director, set means approach altitude 5,000.
Flight director reset 5,000.
Tower, November 447, Mike Juliet, spot 10, taxi.
447, Mike Juliet, to runway 22, wind 210, up to 991. To right, Delta Alpha, hold short of 22, traffic short of.
Delta Alpha, hold short of 22, 7 Mike Juliet.
Wind 220 from 10 knots. $1,000.
No flag.
Tower United 302 ready to taxi.
302, Golf and Alpha, hold short of 2200 at 2991.
Approaching to minimum.
2991, runway 22 Golf Alpha for United 302.
Minimums.
Runway inside, landing.
447 Mike Juliet, now you're only number 2 on sequencer. Traffic number 1 is Air 320, leaving by Golf and Alpha, number 1.
Okay, we understand we need to slow down, let him in.
500.
500.
The web, please.
We'll give way to the 320. Tower 447 Mike Juliet, we can hustle it up to the end and be ready when reaching.
100.
Yes, sir. Bullet traffic number.
Speed.
Roger.
50.
40. 30.
20.
20.
10.
10. Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Aeronaut 1230, continue to
16
your left by Charlie Alpha.
Charlie. Okay, we continue to Bravo. Bravo and out to the gate.
Get by dispersion.
Bravo, Alpha to the gate.
Lights off.
Bienvenidos, señores pasajeros, al aeropuerto de Puerto Vallarta. Hemos llegado 9 minutos antes de nuestro itinerario. La última temperatura ambiente es de 30 grados centígrados, nublado, pronóstico para todo el día, nublados con lluvias ocasionales. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Puerto Vallarta, les agradecemos su preferencia. Welcome aboard to Puerto Vallarta. We arrived 9 minutes before schedule. The last weather temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The forecast for the rest of the evening is cloudy and light rain. Welcome aboard. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Echo, gate number 1. APU is available.
APU was online.